Hi guys, here's what I eat in a day when it's too hot. So on that day, it felt like 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and I definitely didn't want to eat anything cooked. So first thing in the morning, I had a glass of this green juice that I made a day before. It had celery, green apples, jalapeno, lots of lemons, cucumbers, and ginger. It was so hydrating, and it really recharges the morning. It felt like a kickstart to my morning because I have not drank coffee in years now, and I do not feel the need anymore. So these kind of drinks, they not just hydrate me, but they also help me start my day. They also very energizing. I also had some delicious peaches that are in season right now. It was so sweet and juicy. And did you know that peaches are actually members of the rose family, which makes them relatives of roses, cherries, apricots, and almonds? I always wondered why some peaches really smell like roses. Well, this is why. Also, by the way, all that fuzz on the peach, it's not just for show because it actually helps to protect the fruit from all these insects and from some moisture loss. Okay, my next meal was a run. Well, I rarely run, but my little one is in track right now, and I decided to join him for the time being. So I did some jogging, and it felt really good. So when I came home, it was super hot already. Then I really wanted something cold. So for lunch, I decided to make my banana and ice cream. Very easy. I used the seeds from 2 vanilla beans and about 8 frozen bananas. I usually let them sit on the counter for like 10 minutes so they are not hard as a rock, and it's just easier to make the ice cream when they are slightly softer. Okay, and of course I decorated the final product with some leftover strawberries and blueberries, and that was very yummy and filling and satisfying. And so easy, guys. And guess what I had for dinner? Okay, yes, I had more fruit. It was an all fruit day for me. So I had these two, they are called candy with the K, melons. And yes, they were like candy, only I felt really good after eating this kind of candy. The juiciest candy, really sweet and delicious. So I ate one of those candy melons, but I chopped up the other one, and my family ate some, and I decided to save some in the fridge. But one was enough for me, so I ate one, and I decided to have a couple of mangoes because I was still hungry. And of course, I cut up some mango for my kids too because they love mango season as much as I do. So many yummy fruits, and now is the time to enjoy them, guys, because the season doesn't last forever and we gotta make the most out of it. Okay, now I decided to record my numbers in chronometer for you guys to see the nutrient breakdown. So here we go. So here is my chronometer website. It's really easy to use and it's free. Just check it out if you're interested. So I went ahead and I added all my food that I ate that day. Well, for green juice, I just had to choose whatever they had available in their database. So that's just approximate. Okay, so I got the peaches, bananas, berries. Well, for my candy melon, I just chose honeydew melon because, that's what they had in their database. They didn't have this particular melon. And yeah, and of course I ate my mangoes. So it was a very filling day. As you can see, I had more than 2,000 calories, which was more than enough for me. I had a very high carb and low-fat day, and I didn't even add any nuts or seeds that day, and I still got some fat. Did you know that fruits have pretty much everything that humans really need to thrive, not just survive but to thrive? I feel actually really good when I eat a high fruit diet, and it's so easy. Just cut up your fruit and you're done. Maybe eat it with some greens together if you struggle with some blood sugar issues, because it helps to balance things out. But for me, it works both ways. I just feel good when I eat high fruit. And yes, fruit has protein as well. Look at all those amino acids here. So now tell me guys in the comments, what do you think about high fruit diets? Have you ever tried it, and how was it for you guys? Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video then don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!